Spring is here. As spring begins to ramp up and flowers begin to bloom, honeybees are at a crucial moment within the honey flow cycle. Bees and local beekeepers are constantly facing a number of environmental and human-caused problems, some of which you could be preventing right now. Michael Hogue, a beekeeper in Augusta, Georgia, who also owns Augusta Honey Company, has over 20 hives that survive through winter, a time in which is notorious for hive collapse and starvation.
Beekeepers face is chemicals from pesticides, and then invasion from other species like mites and beetles.
Mites are the most detrimental to bees and their population, as different kinds paralyze bees, block their airways, eat their food supply, and overall can decimate a hive within a matter of weeks. Some late summers, Michael says he is forced to feed his bees extra sugar water, as there are not enough flowers for the honeybees in the area to sustain their hive.
Have to be fed during a period called the dearth. It is when there are no flowers for the bees to feed off of.
One thing you can do is plant local and bee-friendly plants that are abundant and provide pollen and nectar that honeybees can access. Should you get pet chickens? Chickens are growing as the next best pet for aspiring and established homesteaders alike. There are many different breeds and an array of colors and patterns, from the golden buff Orpingtons to checkered barred rocks to bearded Americanas. Each breed has different qualities and specialties, from egg production, meat production, and arguably the best quality, friendliness.
Chickens are just fun, how they like to come up to you and they like to be petted, and they got the little fluffy bottoms. It reminds me of old ladies' hairs, and like how they walk together, and then if they get mad at one another, they'll end up like pecking their friend, and they're just funny. Super relaxing is the main thing, is why I think people should get chickens.
Chickens are also pretty low maintenance. As long as you have the materials and quality of life that they require, they are all set to go.